Hello guys, this is 𝐒𝐤𝐝𝐵𝐲𝐝 and in this video we are going to create this multicolor text effect using only HTML CSS, no other third-party library or CSS library. So if you think that you will learn something valuable from our video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also don't forget to like this video. And feel free to share your valuable feedback in the comment section, and if you want some on-demand tutorial then you can also comment that topic in the comment section so that I will make the next video on that topic. So without wasting further time, let's get started.